I'm going to teach my dad how to make slime.
Me? I'm gonna learn how to make slime.
Yes.
Is that what all this is for? Okay.
Yes.
Let's go. What's first?
All right. First, we're going to grab this Elmer's glue.
Elmer's glue. Got it.
And
Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot.
okay. Now I'm going to...
Okay.
All right, I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay, this is the glue.
Not done yet. It's so tiny. All right, and stop.
Okay.
I'll take it again.
Okay.
Okay, and so after we poured in the glue, it looks like this.
Okay.
All right. And then we're going to add the Johnson baby lotion.
Oh, baby lotion. Okay. But what if you don't have a baby? Okay.
I'm going to...
How much do you put in there?
2 squirts.
Two squirts. Okay. Oh.
That's good. That's good. You
That's
don't need
one
any more.
squirt.
No.
Oh, I put a little bit more in there. Okay, now what do I do?
And then now we're going to stir it.
Okay, stir it. Okay, stirring. What does the baby lotion do?
It makes it soft, I think, and buttery.
Soft and buttery. Like, buttery makes it sound like you're going to eat it.
You're not going to eat it, trust me.
Okay, so why do we say buttery then?
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to be honest with you. I don't really know. This is my second time making slime, and I've watched a lot of videos of it, so I think I know what I'm doing.
Hey, at least we're honest.
Yeah.
So
Alright,
you're teaching me, so at least you know more than I knew.
Yeah. Alright,
Okay.
so after this, it should look like this. Okay.
Okay.
And then now, do you wish to make it colorful?
Yeah, let's do a little bit of color. What colors we got?
Alright, so we got red,
Okay.
yellow. It looks
Which-
red, but trust me, it's yellow.
So red is yellow and yellow is red. Okay, got it.
Whatever. Okay, and then there's green.
Okay, green.
And this looks like red, but it comes out yellow.
We already said that.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you
Whatever.
did. All right.
And then it's blue.
Blue, got it.
Alright, so I'm going to make mine blue because of my shirt.
Okay, I'm gonna try to make brown because of my shirt. So I think I'm gonna take yellow and red.
Okay, interesting colors, but okay.
Maybe it'll be orange, but we'll try it.
Alright, we're going to put 3 drops in there. Is that 4?
I did a few. And then I'm gonna do let's see what happens. What was that sound?
Now we're going to stir it.
Okay. Let's just stir and stir and stir.
Stirring music. Alright, so this is what it looks like when I'm done.
Okay, mine kind of matches my shirt.
That's more red. But
Oh,
whatever.
I tried.
Anyways, now,
Why'd you get the big bowl and I have the little bowl? You're little and I'm big.
I don't know. Now we are going to,
Set our spoons aside.
yes.
Okay.
And now we're going to activate it.
Activate it. What do you use to activate it?
So it's like a chemical reaction, and it makes it all come together.
Chemical, is this like science class?
I
Okay.
don't know. I learned that last year.
Okay.
And this is the baking soda
Okay.
rubbing.
Oh.
Anyways, so now it looks like, so once I'm done, alright, so you put some in there.
Okay.
That's a good amount. But,
Oh.
well, whatever.
Oh gosh, I'm spilling it. Okay.
Why are you doing that?
Okay. So
No,
this
no! That's too much.
We don't know.
Okay,
You said this
whatever.
only your second time.
Whatever.
Okay.
I think it's too much. Alright, so next we're gonna stir this until it's
I'm
dissolved.
gonna take all this off the table and add it to it too. You can't have too much, right? It's like dust. Like. All right.
So now
Stir
we're gonna
this.
mix it until it's dissolved and you can't see it anymore.
Okay.
Alright, now it should look like this.
Okay.
And now we are going to Gonna get that out of the way. And now we're going to get the
saline solution.
or Elmer's magic liquid.
Elmer's magic liquid. I feel like I'm in Harry Potter or something.
So, are you done mixing?
Sure. All right.
All right. Ew. Okay. So now I'm going to set my spoon aside.
I'm gonna keep mine right here. Okay.
Elmer's magic liquid.
Okay. Elmer's magic liquid. Got it.
Where is it? Here's the Lego. Okay.
There it is.
All right. So now we are going to get a tiny bit in there. You put too much of the baking powder, so you're gonna do less than me.
Okay.
I think. So we're gonna do a tiny bit at a time.
You can always add more, right?
If it's not activated. But
Okay.
that's good for you.
You think? I need a little bit more. Okay. More is always better for me.
You're gonna overactivate it. Now we're going to. It looks chunky, but at first. But
We had to fast forward while we stir this, so watch this.
okay, so we finally got done with.
That was a lot of stirring.
I know.
This is what we should look like, okay?
But so now we can touch it.
Now I want to see us touch it now?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Oh, you think we're ready?
Yes.
All right, here we go. Let's give it a shot. I'm going to put my spoon.
Oh my gosh. Hallelujah.
Oh, it's so slimy feeling.
I know, but also it's like.
Whoa. Oh. Am I supposed to do that? Yeah, it kind of does. Oh, look, it picks back up. Oh, this is money.
My hands are blue, but. Okay, now I gotta get it off my fingers.
This is so awesome. All right. So, this is,
Mine still
just to
looks really
recap,
good.
Elmer's glue. It is baking soda, saline solution, and baby lotion.
Alright, so mine is still a little stickery, but, you know, it's fine.
So,
and my hands are blue. You can't really see it in the camera. But.
I think mine's a little goopy.
Yeah, yours is goopy.
This is kind of cool, though, but it sticks all together. It doesn't stick to my fingers. Look, it comes right off my fingers. So, ladies and gentlemen, we did it right.
Yeah, mine's blue.
But it's okay. It's not sticking to your fingers, though.
Yeah.
You just put a little too much dye in it, I think.
Yeah, I think I did.
So it's like...
Also, blue's pretty dark. So... Oh, you want to switch slimes? Because that's what people do in it.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm going to
What
get
if we
mine
mixed
off
our
today.
slimes together? What would happen? Why? It'd be cool.
That'll make it brown.
Like my shirt. No? You want to switch slimes?
Alright, let's switch slimes, y'all.
So I can have blue fingers like you?
No, we're just trying this out.
Okay.
Wait. Okay, well. Okay, yours
I think
feels a little weird, but
so does yours. Yours is a little stickier.
yours is a little watery. But
But mine... Oh, there we go. I think we need to...
let's switch back, because...
I don't like yours.
And I'm putting blue in yours.
Oh, gosh. Why?
I don't mean to. Here, take it back. Let's take...
Wait, quit.
Ah!
Ah, it's like Spider-Man.
Stop. Okay. We're good.
Oh, I gotta get this off my hands. I don't want it.
You keep making it worse.
I guess I'll put some of yours in mine.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
I think it'll be pretty with blue and orange.
I don't know. So mine turned out pretty good,
Yeah?
and his did too. But I don't like the feeling of his. My dad's obviously. But I like mine really good. So without layover. Whoa, it's pretty.
How much fun is this? And it doesn't stick to anything. Parents, if you're watching this, like, oh, it's gonna get sticky everywhere. Look, I can, like, I'm a dad. It's on the table. Oh, you can't see that. Back here. It's on the table. Look, it doesn't even stick.
Yeah. See, look.
See? And you know what? A little trick, parents. If you take this stuff, if you make it the right way, and you put it in your car, it takes up all the dust and the dirt and the nasty stuff.
Yeah.
Yes.
In real life.
Yeah. You put it over the thing and it gets all that crap out that you don't want to touch or you can't get out of the crevices and everything. It's pretty
You
cool
have
trick.
slime?
Yes, your old slime.
Oh.
That you thought threw away.
Yeah. Wait, what?
Right? All right.
Yeah.
Okay,
but,
so, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I need to sit up a little bit.
Why did you say ladies and gentlemen?
Ladies and gentlemen. Okay.
Okay, so kids.
Oh, parents. Now that you've watched us make classic slime, now we're going to start to make
Crunchy slime.
crunchy slime.
Welcome back, and we cleaned out our bowls, obviously.
Oh yeah, we did clean that out. We did a little bit of prep work. See, on
So-
TV you can't see that, so we edited that part out.
Yeah.
Alright.
Anyways, that's my secret. Whatever. So,
All right.
at first we're gonna do some clear glue. You have your clear glue on that side.
Clear glue. Elmer's.
Elmer's, obviously.
Clear, not a sponsor, but great glue.
Yeah. So now, watch me first.
Oh gosh, she's so bossy. All right.
Rude. I'm supposed to be teaching you.
Yeah, but you don't know what you're doing. That's a lot. Oh my gosh. You use like half the bottle, fruitcake. All right, I'm gonna use half the bottle too.
Actually, I didn't. I did 3/4.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I'm just.
Looks about the same amount you did. Yeah, it's about. Yeah. Actually,
No. You need like an inch more.
Oh gosh.
All right.
Perfect. All right, now what?
Okay, now we're gonna. If you want to, you can add shaving cream.
Okay, now
We're using
Barbasol.
Barbasol,
All right.
and I already. So I'm gonna stir mine.
Okay, I'm gonna use these beads. Are these foam beads or just regular beads?
I don't know.
Let's
So
just try them out.
I think they're foam beads because they came with the kit.
Okay.
All right. So now I'm gonna.
So
do
we bought these little beads, and we stick those in. These are foam beads. And you just stir it? Is that what you're supposed to do?
Yes. It'll make it colorful.
Looks like a nerd rope. And just stir it.
Mhm.
Cool.
All right. Mine's.
Keep going.
So I'm gonna do these also because I put shaving foam.
Okay. So we're going to fast forward to the stirring part again, so you don't have to watch us do this the whole time.
All right.
All right.
I am done. So this
Okay.
is what mine looks like. Can't really
Ooh, yours was like cake with icing.
see it, yes.
Mine looks like a
So-
nerd rope. Look, ladies and gentlemen, kids of all ages. Mine looks like nerd rope.
Yeah. That's
And
why I
yours
put
looks
shaving
like cake
foam.
with icing.
Yeah.
Okay, so
put
yours is like
shaving
clouds. What does it call it? Cloud foam?
Technically. But,
Cloud slime? Yeah. Okay.
So we're not putting baking soda in it because we think that we did that wrong. I don't know. Okay, so now it's time to touch it, I think.
Oh, you think we're ready?
Yes.
Let's give it a shot, ladies and gentlemen. What do y'all think? Let's give it a shot.
Yeah.
Spoons down, hands in. Oh, here we go.
All right. Oh.
Whoa.
This is cool.
Look at that.
Oh
Oh,
my gosh, it's coming off of my hands really easily.
oh, nice. You hear that?
Oh yes.
Oh, right in the microphone. Oh, that was a good crunch.
I know, right?
That was a really good crunch.
I wonder if it actually. Oh!
Mine may be overactivated a little bit. Oh, nope, look. It's like a nerd rope.
Here, can I feel it?
No, because you got your hands. Oh, you want to do it? Here you go. Touch it.
Oh, yours is actually pretty good. Can you feel mine?
Ooh, it feels like cloud. Like,
Yeah, because of the shaving foam.
So, my first one was that red color, if you remember. I was trying to make it brown. And this one is a perfect nerd rope. Look at that.
It actually looks brown if you take out the beads. So
Look at
maybe you
that.
did accomplish something.
Ooh, that's pretty awesome.
And mine looks my shirt, actually.
Oh, not bad. Yeah, it does.
And yours looks like your shirt, too.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
So parents, again, it doesn't stick to anything. So y'all are like,
Well,
oh, you can't play with slime, kids. No, you really can because it doesn't stick to anything. And parents are scared to touch it. It's really not that big a deal. It comes right off of everything. See, my hands are perfectly clean. No problems. Boom. Okay? Now, you said you're going to make a swirl. Let's see the swirl action.
Hold on. I can't even. Hold up.
She doesn't know what she's doing.
I do. I've actually seen it on videos.
All right,
Like
let's go.
again, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I have. I did.
All right, let's see it. Whoa.
All right. It's not really a slime swirl right now.
That's
Okay, well.
That's perfect. Okay. So, why does this make me feel like sprinkles? Like it makes me want to eat cake.
Mine even more.
Okay, so what's your favorite kind of cake?
Mine is chocolate and confetti.
Ooh, a chocolate. So the cake is chocolate. Is it icing chocolate?
Icing chocolate? No, I like vanilla.
Okay, so chocolate cake, vanilla icing, and sprinkles?
Yes.
So kind of like your slime.
Yes.
Oh, I like yellow cake or red velvet.
Ooh, I like lemon cake too.
Ooh, lemon cake.
Comment down below what your favorite is.
That's right.
If anybody watches this.
Nobody will. It's okay though. Oh look, I wonder if I can pick up this bowl. Let's see how strong my slime is. That's right. Ooh, I'm gonna be Spider-Man.
So I'm glad with my slime if I can even try to do a slime swirl because it's just a little sticky, just a little.
So, I like playing with it. I kind of want to throw it against the wall and see if it sticks.
Oh gosh, no. Alright, alright.
All right, ready?
Ready,
See if the
ready?
camera will catch this.
Dang it.
Oh! It's stuck over there for those who don't know. It's stuck to the TV. And scooping down. That's all right.
We better get it off.
All right, so, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching us make slime for the second time ever. I'm Heath. My daughter Emma.
Bye!
Bye-bye! We're so dumb. All right.